Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change font style on Samsung Galaxy tablet. First, go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down and select accessibility. After selecting accessibility, you are going to tap on visibility enhancements. And from here, you are going to simply scroll down and you are going to tap on font size and style. Then you'll tap on font style, and from here you can select Samsung One and you can see how it will look right there, or you can go back and you can tap on Gothic Bold and you can see how that will look. Also, if you would like to download font, you can simply tap on download fonts right here at the bottom, and from here you'll simply go into the Galaxy Store and see if you find a font that you like. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.